Hey everybody, it's Dave. So I'm going to share a little story with you today. I'm going to take a little walk after this little gloomy rain we've had today. But I had a customer today wanted me to do an estimate for her to do some shower repair and regrout her showers and stuff like that. So I went and took a look at it and stuff, and it didn't seem too bad. And she lived on a second-story condo. And she goes, "Oh, by the way, my neighbor below me says my shower's leaking in onto their ceiling." And I'm like, "Well, that's not normal." And so I took a look at it further and stuff. And I said, "You know what, ma'am? I think you have an issue with your shower pan. I think your shower pan's compromised and it's actually leaking through there." And she's go, "Well, I had two other companies come here today, and they told me that all they had to do was just grout it, just regrout it." I go, "Well, that's a fix, a little temporary fix, but the problem is that your shower pan's compromised, so moisture is actually leaking through. Grout's not going to fix that if you seal it." So anyways, long story short, I gave her a couple numbers to call. She starts texting me back saying, "Hey, I want you to give me a quote to grout the shower." And I said, "No, I'm sorry, I have to decline." And she'd go, "You're not going to give me a quote?" I said, "Well, no, because your shower pan's bad. It needs to be ripped out and replaced. And if I was to come in and grout it out, I would be held liable for any kind of water damage that can occur. And I'm a professional. So I'm not going to do something just to take your money. The right thing to do is to fix that shower pan again." So, oops, sorry, I almost dropped you. That's my story. So sometimes I have to walk away from a job because it's the right thing to do. Just remember that. Have a great day, everybody. See ya.